Hey guys, Regina here. Been in this automotive space, automotive business for 23 years. Actually, January will be my 24th year. And if you're watching this video, you are sliding by my YouTube channel or you are a subscriber. So thanks for being a subscriber to Regina, the Queen of Car Loans and Credit YouTube channel. Yes, thank you. And if you're sliding on by, stop and subscribe, because you'll be notified every time I upload a video or my team uploads a video. So today we're going to talk about debit cards, prepaid cards, charge cards, and credit cards. Been in the car business this long, some customers don't understand or don't know that a debit card doesn't report to your credit report. So this is the reason why I'm doing this video, is because I want people to be clear about things. But trust me, don't feel bad if you did not know, but that's why I'm here to teach you, to help you understand the difference. Don't suffer in silence. That's the reason why we do videos. That's why we have YouTube videos. That's why we have Instagram, Reels, TikTok, to share, so that you will know, wouldn't sit back and suffer in silence, right? Or suffer from mistakes. Debit card is hooked up to your checking account. It's your own monies. So if you have $1,000 that's in your checking account and you use your debit card and you spend $100, then you're gonna have $900 left in your checking account. That's gonna be your balance in your checking account. So remember that a debit card does not report to your credit report. If anybody told you it did, it does not. Number two, prepaid card. Now, prepaid card is when you load your money, your own money, onto that card. And if you don't load any money onto it, you're not gonna have any money on that card. So again, it's your own money, but you have to load it up on to the prepaid card to be able to use it for the things that you wanna buy. Number three, charge card. Charge card, you have to be approved by a lender or a bank. And I'll give you an example. American Express card, which is a charge card, they report to the credit report, and any charge cards report to the credit report because you have to be approved for it. So you're borrowing someone else's money, but you have to pay that off at the end of the month, or whenever that due date is, you have to pay that charge card off. There's no balance. And then you may be charged an annual fee, but it just depends on the charge card. Now, a credit card is when you apply and you're gonna get someone else's money from the bank or the lender. You're gonna pay the minimum due every month, or you're gonna pay more than the minimum due every month. So you can carry a balance from month to month. Or you can be smart in some cases and you can pay it off at the end of the month. Use it, pay it off at the end of the month. But with a credit card, you have that option to carry a balance on from month to month, or pay it off at the end of the month. Now, I hope this helps, because again, we make YouTube videos, we do Instagram Reels, we do videos to educate you. So if you're stopping by my channel, please subscribe, because again, you will be notified every time I upload a video. All right, and if you have any questions, go to the comment section in the bottom, and then I'll do my best to get back to you. See you on the next video.